Meaning of hearten.
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 Hearten. The verb hearten means to give courage, confidence, or hope to someone. When you hearten someone, you help them feel more positive, motivated, and empowered. It's a way of offering support and encouragement to people who are struggling or facing challenges. Heartening someone can also make them feel valued and appreciated, which can boost their self-esteem and sense of belonging. Overall, when you hearten someone, you are strengthening their emotional resilience and helping them to face life's difficulties with greater ease and determination.